Good afternoon and welcome to our virtual open house of 4056 Hixon Street. Located in the beautiful community of Beamsville, part of the town of Lincoln. We are in the middle of the fruit belt here, surrounded by orchards, vineyards, wineries, beautiful blend of nature and community living. Let's go check out this beautiful house. We have an all brick construction, 2,600 square feet above grade, offering at $899,900. Let's go take a look. Long driveway, lots of room for parking. 1.5 car garage with an access to the backyard as well. Let's go take a look. Nicely gardened. And again, full brick construction. Let's go in, we'll take a look at this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. We're on a 70 by 130 lot. We have exquisite building, really solid home, double subfloor, just beautifully finished. Let's take a look. We come in, grand entrance, palladium windows, giant chandelier, nice round staircase. Really bright home. We'll go right through into the kitchen. Nice open eat-in kitchen. We have a walkout to the deck. Double skylights, California shutters. Again, really beautiful. We'll see that nice green backyard shortly. Off the kitchen, we have a big family room with a wood-burning fireplace and sliding doors out to the backyard and deck. Again, fully California shuttered. Tile throughout the main floor, nice and cool in the summer. Off the foyer, we have a 2-piece powder room. We have a great space, bay window, good for an office or study. Currently set up as a vintage barber shop, laundry room, and access out to the side. On the other side of the foyer, we go through to a more formal living room. Lots of room, again, bay windows, and into a large dining room. As you can see, big enough for a huge dining room table, and again, oversized windows looking at that beautiful green backyard. Lots of detail. It's the glass plain door.
Troy, for the people watching, do you mind just telling us where we are?
And, yeah, we're at 4056 Hixon Street in Beamsville. Beautiful neighborhood, close to orchards and vineyards. And again, 4-bed, 3-bath, offering at $899,900. Let's take a look at the finished basement. Again, consistent tiles through the staircase and down to the finished basement. We have a full kitchen down here. Great for those mess kitchen days when you're entertaining and you want to keep it all down here, or for casual dining. A nice workspace. There's 2 cellars. Very large, front and back, so tons of storage. And again, big den or rec room area. And there's Cold cellar number 2. Sump pump with battery backup. Let's go see the upstairs. Nice wooden staircase. Tall ceiling and palladium window. 4 bedrooms up here. Let's start with the master. French doors into the master. We have a nice balcony. Great for having your morning coffee and looking at your yard. Double closets. And a 3-piece ensuite. Bedroom number 2, generous space, large storage, looking out over the street and the community. We have a 5-piece bathroom here, nice and spacious. Bedroom 3, nice and bright, big windows overlooking the yard and trees. And bedroom 4, another generous room, generous closet space, and looking out over the front yard. Let's go take a look at that backyard, beautiful and green. Again, such a grand staircase. Just love this kitchen, so bright. Skylights make a world of difference. Out onto the deck. Beautiful green space, beautiful flowers. 70 feet wide, 130 deep. Again, we're at 4056 Hixon Street in Beamsville. Gorgeous property. Let's take one last look at the garage. Nice access from the back. And we have a 1.5 oversize, nice high ceiling, lots of potential of entrance into the house. Again, look at this backyard. Well, this is 4056 Hixon Street in Beamsville, town of Lincoln. For more information, please reach out to us, karenpaul.com. And thank you so much for joining us today. Have a great Sunday, everybody.